But the big story we're tracking at this hour is the hearing that is underway in the Karnataka High Court on the entire hijab round. Now, this is the 6th day of the hearing that is underway. Let's go right across to Shrija, who's joining us with the very latest. Shrija, what more can you tell us? What's happening in the hearing?
Well, at the moment, as far as the Advocate General is concerned, he also goes on to talk about the government order, which is dated February 5th. Now, remember, the government had on February 5th, they had passed an order which clearly stated that, the schools and colleges will have to follow the mandated prescribed uniform, and also went on to say that there won't be any religious garments allowed. Now, that was something as far as the government order is concerned. Now, the Advocate General has also made his submission saying that the government has understood for what it ultimately directs, and it is wrong on the part of the petitioners to say it is communal. So remember, just right after this particular order was the time that we witnessed these protests that had intensified, escalated across the state of Karnataka, and we also did see how the various instances did go out of control. So right now, at this moment, as far as the Chief Justice is concerned, the Justice has also questioned the Advocate General that whether this particular order by the government was premature or not, and also goes on to say that whether this will amount to contradictory stand by the state or not. This was the question that was asked by the Chief Justice to the Advocate General. What's also important to note at the moment is as far as the Advocate General is concerned, he also goes on to say that the argument which was made by one of the petitioner's lawyers, who is Ravi Verma, that the College Development Committee is not really an authority recognized by the Education Act. Because all through this, over the past at least 1 or 2 weeks, what we have witnessed is that all the colleges, the high schools and the schools were just simply and blindly following this particular order, which clearly led to that kind of commotion and eventually taking political and communal overtones inside the institutions with the students protesting. And right now the hearing is underway.
All right, so the hearing is underway. It is day 6 of the hearing, and several important points being made there. Thanks, Shrija, for joining us with the very latest. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you for more updates as we track that crucial hearing that is underway in the Karnataka High Court.